Hey, how you doing? Justin here. Today I want to talk a bit about which chord changes you should be practicing in your 1-minute changes. There's 8 chords that you got down now, 8, 8, 64, less 8, I think it's 56 different possibilities, but some of those are duplicates. I sat down with the list of all of the different possible chord changes and muddled it down to 25 chord changes that I think would be really useful for you to work on. But that's still a lot. If you're going to do 25 1-minute changes sessions, that's 25 minutes of practice just on chord changes. A little bit much. So how do you whittle that down even further? Well, the short answer is you should work on the chord changes that you need to play the songs that you like. So once you've figured out, hey, here's 5 or 6 songs that I really want to work on for this grade to kind of pass my test, to be able to play through, that I could play at a party or a barbecue, look at the chord changes in them when you're practicing the songs, figure out which chord changes are the hardest, make a note of them, and work on those in your 1-minute changes. Okay, you want to try and take a practical approach, because to try and practice all 25 of the chord changes is a little bit redundant. Some of the chord changes are just, I think, not necessary. To practice, say, D to D minor, you might come across that chord change in a song, but I would recommend practicing that chord change when you come across that chord change. Okay, the chord change A to C. Yeah, you might find it from time to time, but it's certainly not a common one. So really, the best way to do it is to work on changes that you need in songs that you want to play. Okay, that is really the best answer to this question. If you want to make a table of all of the different changes and work out, making sure that you can do every chord change up to 60 changes a minute, there's no harm in doing that. A lot of the engineering kind of mathsy type really enjoy that as a challenge, as a thing to do. And if you're loving playing guitar, if you're really enjoying the journey, then it's totally fine to do that. Personally, I'm a bit struggling for time. I'd rather spend my time playing songs, and I want to do exercises that are going to help me play songs, because I kind of see playing songs as being the point of the whole thing. Okay? So have a think about it. Go through the songs that you want to play, look at the chord changes. When you're doing your song practice, make a note of the difficult ones, either in my practice assistant or on a piece of paper or the song chart or wherever, and then sit down and work systematically through those chord changes, because you might find you got 10 over the 5 songs that you want to work on. There's 10 changes that are difficult. So just try and pick out a few at a time. Work them up so that you can get them into the song, and then pick another couple. I wouldn't recommend trying to have 10 different chord changes to 10 1-minute changes sessions in one practice session. That's too much. Okay, so 2, 3, 4 maybe 1-minute changes sessions in your practice routine. Because remember, it's up to you now to adapt your practice routine to fit yourself, and a little bit that's your personality type. So you might find you just want to do 2 1-minute changes sessions because you still want loads of time working on your songs. You might be like, nah, I want to stick 5 changes in here because these ones are really going to help me. So a little bit up to you. Over on the website, you will find the list of the 25 that I think are useful and why I think the other ones are redundant. That'll help you kind of knock things down a little bit. But then just have a think about what the changes are that are most important for you to nail down. See you for more very soon. Bye-bye.